originally submitted her home to Country Sampler Decorated for Christmas. Being all the way in California, we weren't sure the assignment would land with us. As luck would have it, the editor decided this home would be perfect for Country Sampler's home tour magazine and decided we would photograph when we were next on the West Coast. The timing worked out for us to do a cross-country trip photographing various homes on our way west. Meeting Karlee and Jeff turned out to be a whimsical day going down memory lane, sharing stories from our childhoods of visits to the country store for penny candy, hers with her grandfather and mine with my grandmother. Let's step inside and see all the wonderful collections and decorating ideas. Karlee describes her style simply: a little bit old country store, a little bit cottage farmhouse, and lots of happiness. This great room shows exactly what she means. A genuine country store bean counter sits filled with colorful candy instead of dried beans, and a coffee table isn't really a coffee table at all. It's an old wagon repurposed and rolled right into the room. For Karlee, it's always about finding an antique and imagining a whole new life for it. gets creative with her Hoosier cabinet, leaving the doors open to drape a tea towel and let more of her collection show. She keeps the country store theme going right down to the details. A stack of woven shopping baskets and a broom display, tucked in like they never left the store. where Karlee's cottage farmhouse side really shines. White cabinetry, worn countertops, and a green painted beadboard backsplash set the tone for the whole space. Layer in a few well-chosen antiques, a butcher block, and a set of industrial stools, and the room ends up just as eclectic and personal as everywhere else in the house. As we move to see Karlee's bedrooms, the mood shifts again. Gone are the bold colors and country store energy. In their place, soft white linens, delicate details, and a quiet cottage charm take over. It's a gentle reminder that Karlee's style isn't just one thing, it's a whole range of moods, each one just as considered as the last. At the end of the day, Karlee's home isn't really about the candy or the collection. It's about holding on to happiness one repurposed antique at a time. Every corner carries a little bit of memory and a little bit of joy.